2024 Mercedes-Benz GLE. With less than 23,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.